Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, October 24th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the economic calendar for today. Bank of Japan Services PMI data worse than expectations. Previous number was 53.1. The actual number is 49.3 points. Manufacturing PMI data from the Germany is scheduled for release at 9:30, and since 9 o'clock, 9:15, we got the manufacturing PMI data from the France, Germany, and from the Spain and Italy, and at the end on the whole Eurozone data from the Eurozone are scheduled for release at 10 o'clock, and this data are manufacturing PMI, composite PMI, and services PMI. 30 minutes later, we should expect the release of the manufacturing, composite, and services PMI data from the UK together with the labor productivity. During the US session, we have scheduled for release initial jobless claims at 2:30 together with the building permits. Bank of England Deputy Governor Woods would give a speech at 3 o'clock together with the Bank of England MPC member Mann. German BUBA Vice President Buch will give a speech 3:30, and the manufacturing PMI, composite, and services PMI data are scheduled for release at 3:45. Those data are, of course, from the USA. New home sales are scheduled for release at 4 o'clock, and then we have a series of some speeches. ECB Macau will give a speech at 5 o'clock. ECB Lane will give a speech at 7 o'clock. At 9:45, Bank of England Governor Bailey will give a speech, and at the end of the day, 10:30, we got Fed's balance sheet. So pretty intense trading session today. As you can see, the PMI data will be the highlight. Of the London session. So let's take a look at the British pound and the euro dollar for sure. So the British pound 30-minute chart is showing us an attempt to rally towards the one of the key technical resistance levels, 1.0805. However, on the 4-hour chart, you can clearly see that we made another new local low at 1.0762, and the market is trying to bounce from this level. So far, no avail. The market is under the pressure. And it looks like it wants to move way lower very soon. We are moving away from the trend line. We passed the 1.0827 level. Now it's a technical resistance, and 1.0805. This is now technical resistance. And both of these two levels here don't actually work very well. The next target for the bears is located at 1.0713. So that's the short outlook of the euro dollar. Let's find out what is pound doing just before the PMI data. 4-hour chart channel is working like a charm. You can see the market was testing the lows of the level of 1.29006. It hit the lower channel line, and now the market participants are trying to move a little bit higher. So we have a bounce. The level of 1.3020 is now technical resistance. We passed the blue trend line, so we can get rid of it. Big important technical support 1.3 has been violated, and 1.2976 has been violated. So we got another 3 technical resistance levels. That might be very helpful for bears, of course, in order to push the market even lower. Bulls are testing the 50 periods moving average right now, and it doesn't actually look like they want to stop just here. Maybe they will go higher and test the 1.2976 level, because this bearish divergence, sorry, this bullish divergence, positive divergence is getting a little bit out of hand right now, as the market keeps making lower lows and the momentum keeps making higher lows. So it looks like some kind of a relief rally is really needed. We will see how the market will react on this channel. Maybe it will break out of this channel. Let me just place a different style of the channel so everyone can see what is going on here, because maybe not everyone can see this channel as an effective one. And we are going to move here, but let me just adjust this channel a little bit so it will be clear. There you go, something like this kind of a channel is rather helpful here to basically, there you go, to basically there you go, to basically help the traders to see what is going on right now on the inside of the channel. Let me just make it a little bit, there you go. So that's a nice channel. We keep moving there. Bounces are very shallow, so it looks like the bears are still in charge of this market. This is how it looks like right now for the cable. Let's take a look at the US dollar to the Japanese yen. As you can see, they don't care about the bearish divergence at all. The market keeps trading higher, so that's a very rare situation when the bearish divergence gets completely invalidated, right? So what's going on? We broke above 149.60, 149.38. That was the technical resistance. Now it will act as the support, of course. So we have the change here. We will change this for the green. So we got nice technical support. Now there is another level that needs to be mentioned, and this level is located here. This level is located here. It's 159.1.87, and this level just been violated, and that's important technical support. It used to be resistance. Now we have this big daily candle that breaks above this level. Now the daily is now extremely overbought. Let's see what's going on a 4-hour chart. Maybe now is the time to do some sort of the pullback lower. So let's take a look. There you go. Nice breakout to the upside. The local high was made at 153.20. So that's the technical resistance, and we have the profit taking and the pullback from the extremely overbought conditions. 84 points. Now we back towards 62 points, and we will test the breakout level of 151.88 for sure, because it looks like the best really want it. When it's done, of course, the market will reverse higher, because it looks like this uptrend might not be completed just yet, unless we break strongly below 151.88, and that would mean that the daily extremely overbought conditions are kicking in, and then we will go even lower, possibly towards 150.34 area. Last but not least, let's talk about the Bitcoin. Very nice reaction for the correction. So look at this. Very nice movement to the upside. We have bullish engulfing pattern into the 100 periods moving average on the 4-hour chart. We almost tested the level of the technical support. Local low 65,234, and the technical support was just at the level of 65,107. We have the reversal confirmation, and now we are back above the level of $67,000. What we need is a breakout above 50 periods moving average. This is 67,988. Then breakout above 68,494, and towards the last swing high and the high for the wave 5 we go. 69,555 is the next target. We can see that the maybe I will just get rid of this line so it won't be any misunderstanding. So what I want to show you guys is that this is the trend line, and that's our short-term trend line, and the market just hit this trend line here, right? So we got the hit of this trend line. We need a breakout. That's a local trend line, very weak trend line. We need a breakout above this trend line, basically, in order to move higher. It looks something like this maybe, and we need a breakout. The breakout will be another confirmation of the bullish strength. With this kind of a momentum, hovering around the level of 50, it might be difficult, but sooner or later this momentum will break back into the positive territory, and then the market will resume the uptrend towards $70,000. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.